All right, I'm going to briefly explain the set list to you and the long list. We're on the data entry screen, so we're going to go up here to the long list button and click that. That takes you to a long list. You can print that out, or you can just use it to click on a record to go to that record. Clicking that will take you to the record. Going to the long list button takes you back. Now, it's pretty simple, so just click on the record you want, and you can click back to see it. If you're not seeing all the records, then you want to click Show All if you want a full list. You can also alphabetize. You can sort by these various buttons, which is helpful, or by artist. But I wanted to talk quickly about the set list in case you're performing songs or you want to print out a group of songs for an album or something. You could take songs within your versions file, and you could just enter the songs that you like to sing too, if that's something you could use. And you could make a set number. Let's call it set 1, and we're going to make this number 2, and we'll call this set 1, and we're going to make that number 1, and this is in set 1, and we'll make that number 4, and then this one is set 1. We're going to make number 3, and then this is set 1 too. We'll make that number 5. So basically we've just reordered a set, and in order to print that out, whoops, I hit something accidentally. I'm going to go back to the long list. Shows them to me. So when I get it the way I want, this is my set number. So I want set 1. And this is the order. Well, it's not in order, but this will print it out. And it says greater than 0. Well, actually, I want set 1. Otherwise, it would have printed all the sets. If you had multiple sets in here, you can do greater than 0. It'll print set 1, then set 2, etc. So I'm going to click continue because I know I just need set 1, and there it is. And it orders it. It gives you the time of each one and any other information you filled in. But it's nice and helpful. Now you can put that on stage and use that as your set list. When you're ready to print it, click continue. You can do a PDF or you can print it out. I'm going to cancel or print, and it'll take you back to the the report screen, because the set list is also right here. So again, I'm hitting print. There it is. Print, cancel, and you're back. So click done when you want to go back to the main screen. And to get back to the list again, you hit the long list button, and there's your list. And notice it took all the others. There's only 5 found in the set. So it's showing you your whole found set, and it's already sorted it for you, so you can view it here as well. If you want to show all records again, just click Show All. And that's the same on all our long lists throughout the Songtracker. Again, you can sort these as you wish. All right, that's the set list and long list. Thanks.